top 5 ethical hacking apps for iPhone. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 ethical hacking apps for iPhone. If you're a tech enthusiast, a cybersecurity student, or just want to learn more about ethical hacking, these apps are perfect for you, so let's get started. First up, we have Termux. Termux is a Linux-based terminal emulator that lets you run various command line tools directly on your iPhone. With it, you can perform various penetration testing tasks, install security tools, and much more. Its main key features are command line environment, install Kali Linux tools, and XMS network protocols. Next up, we have Network Analyzer. This app is excellent for network diagnostics, including tools to check Wi-Fi networks, local area networks, and even detect potential security vulnerabilities. It allows you to scan network, analyze IP addresses, and perform single ping tests. Third on our list is Fing Network Scanner. This is a powerful app for scanning and analyzing your local network for security flaws. It identifies all devices connected to your network and provides detailed information about each, helping you identify any vulnerabilities or unauthorized devices. Talk about iVerify. This app is perfect for iPhone security auditing. It helps to check if your iPhone security settings are up to par. You can run a series of tests to detect potential security flaws and ensure your device is secure against common threats. Last but not least, we have Stream HTTP Sniffer, one of the most popular web vulnerability scanners. It's ideal for performing security testing on web applications, including checking for vulnerabilities like SQL injection or XSS. And there you have it. These are the top 5 ethical hacking apps for iPhone.